this is called Skin Like Milk. Just look at me, natural light. Look at me, someone that was black before. Just look at what we have here, and this is what we're gonna be making on this video. This is Snow White scrub. This is Snow White scrubs, guys. On Tuesday, last week, I was on my way going to the bank, and I was like, let me the traffic was much, so I feel less busy, and I was like, okay, let me check my YouTube studio. And immediately I opened my YouTube studio, guys. Behold, I just see YouTube send me a message like apply for YouTube partnership. You're now like guys, the short stories that we have gotten to 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscribers, so now they can monetize us and we start earning on YouTube, guys. I don't know what to say. I don't know how to do it. I don't know what to say, but because I'm just surprised so fast, so soon. Oh God, I'm very grateful, guys. Like, I'm very grateful. Though immediately I saw it, I was like, let me take a breath and rest, because this is not easy. Uploading video on YouTube every blessed day is not easy. Back then, when I used to watch people's video, I'll be like, this person, you're trying, but you need to improve. But when I started mine, that was when I knew that everything I saw on YouTube, the person is perfect. We are doing well, because it's not easy sitting down to create, cracking your brain to create content, editing and all that. It's not easy. So when I saw the message, I was like, something I was thinking maybe within before 1 year, let me say a day before it will clock 1 year, maybe by God grace we're gonna reach the 4,000 watch hour, or this and that. I didn't even know that it's gonna come this soon, but I'm happy. Thank you, guys. I have not followed the process because I've been very busy and all that. I have a good news, but I'm gonna share it later, okay? And I've been handling physical training, and remember we have online training class coming on soon, so we are just be getting ready. That class will hot. So back to business, okay? Don't mind me, but I just want to share the good news, guys. You guys should let me know how you guys want me to appreciate you guys. Is it by giving discounts on our training, giving discounts on our products, or what should I do, or giving away products as well? I don't even know. You guys should, majority carries the vote. So let me see under this comment section what you guys want, and by God grace we're gonna do that, okay? You guys are the best. Thank you so much. I'm very grateful. God bless you, your family, your business, whatever you're doing. God bless you. I really appreciate. Okay, so back to business. Here I have this scrub here, guys. This scrub, as you can see now, this is a scrub, and as you are looking at it like this, it looks so yummy, right? So, and that is how it looks. So this is a salt scrub, and this scrub is extremely nice, okay? This helps to whitening. This is not basically for treatment. This is a whitening scrub. Like, if you have a even skin tone, if you have white patches on your skin, if you want to whiten up your skin, guys, this scrub is for you. This scrub is very, very active, but guess what? You can make this scrub by yourself to use. Why? Because the ingredients we use is just little. You guys know that I love it little and active, small but mighty, okay? So the ingredient is not something you say that I cannot afford it, okay? So, but if you don't want to make by yourself, to avoid getting the fake ones, you can buy from us, or you can buy from us to resell. We have it in reseller for people that resells, and all that. So this scrub is active. It helps whitening, basically now whitening. If you want to whiten up your skin, guys, this scrub is for you, okay? And the best way to get the best result from this scrub is by, after exfoliating your skin, you just let it stay on your skin for at least 10 minutes or 5 minutes, guys. Believe me, if you have a very sensitive skin, this scrub will help to soften your skin, smooth your skin, whitening up your skin. Just a scrub. Look at it. This is very active, okay? And guys, we have our oil that we're gonna make coming up soon. Our hot Ghana oil, you need to subscribe to this channel and turn on your post notification. Guys, we upload video on this channel every day. Like, we upload video every day. Who does that? So you need to subscribe, turn on your post notification, and share with your friends and family. And for most of you that have asked me a question concerning supplement, guys, supplement is what you need. If you want to glow, you need a supplement. Okay, it counts. Include it on your skincare routine. It will help you to get that glowing and spotless skin faster. Look at me as a black girl, and look at me now. I'm glowing. I'm glowing. Okay, so let's dive into the video. Let's make our scrub. Okay, feel free to ask questions that I have not already answered. Okay, feel free to ask questions, and please subscribe. Just do it now. Subscribe. Click subscribe. Okay, thank you. Oh yeah, turn on your post notification. Okay, turn it on. Just click that bell, click on it, and then they're gonna bring a option like all videos and all that. Oh yeah, click on that, all videos. Thank you. Now smash the like button of the video. You are the best. Let's make this salt scrub that helps to whitening up your skin. This half cast salt scrub. This scrub is very active. It's for whitening. Basically, is what is for whitening. Okay, so we're not going to put in anything like turmeric and all that here because we don't want it to change the color. Okay, so let's dive into the video. So this is what you need for this. This is the lavender super salt. Then you need your Ashanti scrub. We're gonna add Ashanti scrub 3 for this. And here we have our vitamin E oil. Here, this is the shower gel we're going to be using. And here we have our fragrance. You can use any fragrance of your choice. We have a stretch firming water. Here we have our tea tree oil, and I'm going to use everything. I added everything, and of course I'm going to add my scrub. I'm going to add my scrub. I added my scrub. Add the remaining one. We are using 3 of scrub. So yeah, so I'm gonna add this some stretch firming water, okay, to prevent anything like stretch mark, green vein, white patches. Okay, I added one of 75 ml. Okay, and I'm gonna add another one. So I'll add tea tree oil. This helps to get rid of dark spots, stretch mark. It has a lot of benefits when it comes to skin. That's why I use it a lot. It helps to treat the skin, and it's very powerful, very effective. So you add few drop of it. You don't need to measure out with cup. Okay, just a few drop. So I'll go ahead and add vitamin E oil. Guys, this scrub will help you to whiten up your skin. This is the 75 ml. Whiten up your skin and glow your skin. Okay, this is not really a treatment scrub, but if you have anything like stretch mark or grooving, this will help you a lot. But this is not a treatment. This is basically for whitening. Okay, it's a half cast scrub. So this scrub will help a lot to get rid of white patches, grooving, and stretch mark gradually. Okay, so we're gonna add our shower gel. So we use our Pure Egyptian shower gel. Okay, you can go ahead and try this for your own use. You can go ahead and try this for yourself. Guys, scrub, once you use just 2 active ingredients to make your scrub, you're good to go. It's not a must to pack the whole thing inside. Okay, so this is it. This scrub is very active, super active. I really like the color of this shower gel. That's why I go for it. They have different colors. In case you didn't get this, you can get any other color. Okay, go ahead and mix this like this. So guys, you see the color of this scrub because of the base, which is the lavender essential, the lavender salt scrub. Do you see how the scrub look like? So this will help you to whiten up your skin, most especially if you use this 2 times in a week. Okay, it helps to whitening up your skin, exfoliate your skin, revive a dry skin. Guys, scrubbing is very important in your skincare routine. Is very important. So this will help get rid of any thing blocking your skin from not whitening. Okay, so this is very nice. You can go ahead and try this and it will work for you. So I'm not really adding preservative on this because I didn't add water. Okay, but if you introduce water to your scrub, you need to add preservative. Okay, but me, I don't add water to my shower gel at all. Guys, if you discover that your scrub is too light, that you don't like the texture, you can go ahead and add Xantha gum to it. Okay, and this because this is a salt scrub. So go ahead and subscribe to this channel and turn on your post notification for more videos.